The pathway of railways, what is being done about that?
What we are doing is we really would like to urge Kenyans. This is our infrastructure. We are all saying that we want modern trains, we want modern railways. But modern railways are not built in the air. They are built on the ground. And we need the space. So we are first of all telling Kenyans, get away from the temptation of trying to encroach the railway reserve. Leave it for posterity. Leave it for our country. The second thing is that if that message does not sink, we will take the necessary action to ensure that the railway reserve is kept for all Kenyans.
Okay, what about, I know you're doing quite a lot within Kenya. What about outside Kenya, especially the Kenya-Uganda Railway?
The Kenya-Uganda Railway was the development, first of all, the concession itself was a joint concession between Kenya and Uganda. What the intention there was to ensure that we have a seamless railway system all the way from Mombasa to Kampala and beyond. So whenever we are discussing, looking at the railway system, we discuss it with our neighbor Uganda. On the standard gauge railway, even before we progressed, a decision was actually made by the two presidents of Kenya and Uganda that there will be a standard gauge railway. Following that was the signing of a memorandum of understanding for our joint development of that railway. So we do have a framework for developing this railway jointly.
All right, how about the funding of that project? Is it coming from Uganda, Kenya, or the both? Or where are you planning to get the investors from?
We're currently getting into the study analysis stage of that project. And basically what the intention would be that definitely Uganda will find its own funding for its section and Kenya will find its own funding. And then